Hello, English learner. Welcome to Learn Master English channel, a channel for learning Master English fast and efficient. In this video, we will learn how to learn English, improve your English pronunciation skill. Improving your English pronunciation requires practice, consistency, and exposure to native or fluent speakers. Here's a step-by-step approach to help you. 1. Listen and imitate. Watch and listen. Listen to native speakers through movies, TV shows, podcasts, or audiobooks. Shadowing technique. Repeat after native speakers, trying to match their pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Use YouTube and apps, channels like BBC Learning English, or apps like Elsa Speak and SpeechLink can help. 2. Learn phonetics and sounds. Study the IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet. Helps you understand how English sounds are produced. Focus on difficult sounds. Identify tricky sounds, e.g., thus in think versus this, and practice them. 3. Practice pronouncing words and sentences. Break words into syllables. Pronounce each syllable slowly before speeding up. Minimal pairs practice. Work on words that sound similar, e.g., ship versus sheep. 4. Record and compare. Use a recorder. Record your speech and compare it with native speakers. Use pronunciation apps. Some AI-based apps provide feedback on your pronunciation. 5. Speak daily. Talk to yourself. Describe your daily activities in English. Join speaking groups. Find language exchange partners or join online conversation groups. 6. Get feedback. Work with a tutor. A teacher or a native speaker can correct your mistakes. Use speech recognition. Some apps give real-time pronunciation feedback. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you can master English quickly. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more English learning tips.